Hey guys, how you doing? Gavin here with Shane with DAFCO. How we doing? Shane, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you doing?
Yeah, good, thank you. Right, on this video, guys, we're going to be talking about a data entry position. We're going to be talking about why it's important to outsource this and the things that they can do, okay? So let's jump straight into it. This video came around because me and Shane were just having a conversation about people that we speak to in a day-to-day. And when you start listening to the tasks that you're doing, and this is probably a good place to grab a piece of paper and a pen and start taking notes, right? Start taking down, what are you doing in your business, okay, as a sole entrepreneur or as a business owner, CEO, or even at management level, okay, and look at the tasks that you are doing. And what happens is what you're going to find is that we all have the tedious tasks that need doing. They're very important, okay, but should you be doing them? All right, and that's where writing this down comes, really important, because what you'll find is, as an example, spreadsheets, right? Tracking numbers on spreadsheets. The data is already there, but you're taking the time to take that data and put it into a spreadsheet. The question is that do you really need to be doing that? Okay. I mean, Shane, we were just literally talking about this. So, just share what we were discussing.
Yeah, so there's two or three things that really stand out to me. And a bit like Gavin just said, you've got your day-to-day jobs, write them down, set a table up, low value, high value. If they're low value, how can you delegate them to someone else? And, a CEO for one of the companies I've got, a great example, every day he was filling in the call stats for the team, for the outbound, or for the I guess the account manager of the team. It sounds all right when you're only talking 20, 30 minutes a day, but when you start adding those 20, 30 minutes up, it's as much as 2.5 hours a week. And when he's then going home and doing work at home because he hasn't got the time to do it in the work hours, you're then killing family and everything else like that. So that's one really good example of where that should be delegated somewhere else. And then you've got the other areas, such as, we do a lot of email and we do a lot of data scraping. Somebody just to go through the internet, copy and paste stuff. I found myself doing it a week or so ago, just copying and pasting 220 website domains. And I sat there after and thought, why the hell have I just done that?
Well, yeah, especially with the business that we have.
Yeah.
So we're all guilty though, right? And that's just us being honest. We're all guilty of doing it. And again, it's a one-off thing, but if you actually write it down, we all know it's not a one-off thing, right? Yeah. It's a daily thing. And then it's actually multiple times a day. And you're probably watching this video nodding your head saying, yes, I get it. That's me. All right. So that is definitely why we can help you out. All right. This is kind of what we do. Okay. This is an outsourcing company that we have. We hire from other countries so we can get them rates down. So it's more affordable for you to go and get help. All right. We understand, right? Profit first in a business. Okay. You have to spend your money wisely, but you have to put a cost on your time. All right. Yeah. So when you look at the time being spent at CEO level, you might be making 200,000 a year. That might be 100 an hour, 150 an hour, whatever them numbers look like. Okay. But you're doing a $150 an hour activity of your time that you could outsource, let's say, for $10. Right. So when you start to look, that the help is potentially there, and it's a great exercise, because what you'll do is not only will you find this, but you'll find other things that you should be outsourcing, okay, in your business as well.
Yeah, there really is so much. It's mad. You really just don't know how much time you're wasting, where you could be spending it on so much more profitable activities.
Definitely. So, guys, if you are interested in going, actually, I need this person, or I've got a different need. Okay, we outsource in multiple different industries, multiple different jobs. Reach out. All you got to do is go to daftco.com. Okay, reach out to us. We'll get on the phone. We'll talk about your business, find out where the needs are, and if we can fit in and help you, fantastic. If not, hopefully you're going to get something from the call as well. So appreciate you all. Thank you for listening. Shane, anything else?
That's all. Thank you very much.
All right. Have a good one. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.
Thanks, guys. Bye.